What's up, everybody? Since there's been so much talk about 3D printed parts in the online community, I feel I should do a online review of some parts that I just got in the mail from Iceman. Now, I ordered these from his eBay account, and I got them in the mail yesterday. He sent me a sticker along also. But what I ordered from him were his airbags, and it's I ordered two sets of them. It's two that are aired up and two that are aired down in each set. So, way I was looking at it, if I actually get back into being super detailed, then I know these are extremely hard to scratch build to make them look right. I've tried before, and you know what? Sometimes 3D printed parts, that's the way to go. These ought to look good inside of a mini truck suspension. And I also ordered his Series 3 Mercenary. And the reason I ordered him is because I'm kind of in the post-apocalypse style sometimes. Let's take a good look at him. The detail on him is very clean. There are a few nubs and stuff that I'll have to pick off from where it was molded. Not a big issue at all. If anybody has had any dealings with resin before, you usually have a lot of cleanup on resin. This one actually looks like it'll be very little cleanup. He's got a few little nibs right here, so forth, on the gun. A little bit of extra flashing. Not anything that a sharp knife should have any trouble with. Now what I'm probably going to do is give him a coat of black primer before I do any detail painting, just to see where the imperfections are, if there are any, and give it a little bit of depth. Okay, I will be using Rust-Oleum's Rust Reformer again. Not a rusty item, but it's a good primer. Hopefully he stays standing up. Ooh, he wants to move. Alright. That'll be good for a first coat. I'll let it dry for a little bit and come back. Let's give him a little bit more. Alright. Once he dries, we'll take a better look. The detail shows up a lot more with a coat of black paint now, doesn't it? Very impressive. I will be slowly painting this one and adding it to one of my models. Again, I want to give a shout out to Iceman. He has some great items. Look him up on eBay. There's icemancollections.com. That should give you a link. Thanks again for joining in.